Welcome to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. See how to apply and or and not operator onto the queries. So we have already seen what is meant by where class. So to apply a condition and to filter the tuples which satisfy the condition, we use this where class. And if there is only one single condition, it is fine. Suppose there are multiple conditions, I want to apply more than one condition to the table. Then how you will be doing that? You can do with the help of this operators. We'll see one by one. So here I am having a table employee. This is my employee table. Suppose I want to select a person who are working in Goa. So select star from the table name is employee. I'll be using the where class to apply this condition. Where place is equal to Goa. So now I have a condition like I want to have the employee who is from Goa. At the same time, the person's age should be greater than 25. So I have two conditions. How I can apply that? With the help of AND operator. So AND, you have to put AND, then you have to place the next condition. Age should be greater than or equal to 25. So this is the person who is satisfying both the condition. He should be from Goa and also his age should be greater than 25. So this is the condition. So if both the conditions are satisfied, the particular tuple alone will be fetched by the AND operator. Suppose I am having a relaxation. Either one condition is satisfied, it is enough for me. Either the person should be from Goa or the person should have the age greater than or equal to 25. Then I can use the operator instead of AND. So any one condition is satisfied, it's enough means I can use the OR operator. So here these two people are from Goa. Though this person Deepa is having the age less than 25, since she is from Goa, she is selected for this query. At the same time, Raj and Jyoti are not from Goa. They are from different states like Tamil Nadu and Assam. But their age is greater than or equal to 25. Since age criteria is satisfied, this tuple has been fetched. So what is meant by OR operator? Either of the conditions, any one condition is satisfied means that tuple will be fetched. That is the reason use of OR operator. All the conditions should be satisfied. That tuple alone has to be fetched means I have to use the AND operator. So this is the difference between AND operator and OR operator. NOT operator will fetch the record which are not satisfying the tuple. So if you are giving select star from employee where place is equal to Goa. So this is fetching out of 10 records, 2 records are having the people who are from Goa. So out of this 10 records, 2 records has been selected. Now I want to have the people who are not from Goa. So where I can just put not. So not will inverse it. That is, I want the people who are not from Goa. So out of 10, 2 are from Goa. The remaining 8 has been displayed here. So that is the use of not operator. So not operator will be displaying the records which are not satisfying the condition. So you have 3 operators AND or not. So for combining more number of conditions, you use AND operator as well as OR operator. For negating the condition, you use the not operator. So in the next video, we'll be seeing some other query. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you.